This is Pawan Kumar, head of the Department of Electronics. In this video lecture, I will discuss about consumer electronics paper in semester 5, paper 5B for final year students. Contents: Introduction of consumer electronics, microwaves and its applications and advantages, and microwave working and principle of microwave oven and its parts. First of all, we will discuss introduction of consumer electronics. Consumer electronics refers to any electronic device designed to be purchased and used by end users or consumers for daily and non-commercial or professional purpose. That means consumer electronics refers to electronic devices are to design or purchase by the end users. Consumer electronics are among the most commonly used form of electronic computing and communication devices in several tasks. Consumer electronics or home electronics are electronic equipment intended for everyday use, typically in private homes. Electronic devices are both analog and digital devices. You know about the analog devices and digital devices. The major role of consumer electronics includes entertainment, communications, home offices, and housekeeping. These are the main roles of consumer electronics. First one, entertainment. In entertainment purpose, we are using different electronic devices like flat screen TVs, DVD players, video games, remote control cars, etc. In communications, there are very lot of networks in communications by telephones, cell phones, and laptops. These are the major roles. In home offices, desktop computers, printers. These are the home applications. And housekeeping, washing machines and refrigerators and microwaves. And these are the housekeeping appliances of the consumer electronics. The major role of the consumer electronics and microwaves. A microwave refers to electromagnetic rays with frequency between 300 MHz and 3000 GHz in the electromagnetic spectrum. That means the frequency of the microwave is 300 MHz to 3000 GHz. We can observe the electromagnetic spectrum in below figure. In this spectrum we have different waves. First of all, radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, radiation, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. These are the different types of rays in electromagnetic spectrum. In this microwaves, we can observe microwaves are frequency range between radio waves and infrared waves. Microwaves do not require any medium to travel. That means that it travels in space without any medium. Non-metals such as glass particles are partially transferred to these waves. The main advantage of the waves are without any medium it travels. Applications of microwaves: communications, remote sensors, heating, medical sciences. Different applications of microwaves we are using. First of all, in communications. The microwaves are used to broadcasting, satellite communication, military and army. These are the main important roles in communications of microwaves. remote sensors, radar, sonar communications, and remote sensors locations, and heating, bake and cook food, electronic missions. Next, medical sciences, diagnosis and various therapies. We are using microwaves. The main advantages of the microwaves are large bandwidth. It has large bandwidth and better directivity, small in size antennas, low power consumption, effect of atom. These are the different advantages. Microwave oven. These are the next. We can learn about microwave oven and working principle and how to it working and how to use it, this device. A microwave oven, commonly referred to as a microwave, is an electronic oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to electromagnetic radiation in the microwave frequency range. That means microwave oven is a microwave. That means that the electronic oven that heats it and cook food by exposing the electromagnetic radiation. You know about the radiation. Radiation is the energy come from travels through the some space or medium. In this oven, microwave ovens are a common kitchen appliance and are popular for reheating previously cooked foods and cooking a variety of foods. This is used to reheating the cooking food and different types of foods. Principle: a microwave oven heats food by passing microwave radiation through it. Microwaves are a form of non-ionizing electromagnetic radiation with a frequency in this so-called microwave region. You know about the microwaves are 300 MHz to 300 GHz. Microwave ovens use frequencies in the form of in one of the ISM industrial scientific medical bands. Microwave oven frequencies: water, fat, and other substances in the food absorb energy from the microwaves in a process called dielectric heating. That means in microwave, water, fat, and other substances in the food absorb energy from the microwaves. The process is called dielectric heating. A microwave oven consists of, you can see the picture, its several electronic parts are combination. A high voltage power source, that is a power source is a transformer or electronic power converter which passes energy to the magnetron. You can see the magnetron. A high voltage capacitor connected to the magnetron which transfers diode to the chassis. A cavity magnetron which converts high voltage electric energy to microwave radiation. After you can apply any source which converts magnetron electric energy to microwave radiation. Then a magnetron control circuits usually with the microcontroller. You can observe the short wave guide. A short wave used to a couple micro power from the magnetron into the cooking chamber. A metal cooking chamber, metal wave guide, steering fan, and a control panel. You can all parts are looking in the figure. You can observe power, magnetron, waveguide, stirrer, cooking cavity, churnability, and door choke. These are the main parts. You can also observe the block diagram of microwave oven. In this figure you can observe the main transformer, blade arrestor, magnetron, waveguide, controller, and thermal protector, relay or track, and that's output of the microwave. I will discuss in the each and every part in this block diagram. The blader capacitor. It should always discharge before touching anything inside. That means when a cover is removed, then high value blade resistor is too low to discharge. Thermal protector. In the blader capacitor, you can see observe the diagram. The blader resistors are connected in parallel in 1 mega ohms resistors. Next, thermal protector. Thermal protectors are thermostats that open set off high current contacts at preset temperature. They should reset when the cool off. However, like a relay or switch, that means on and off. Controller. The controller, that means microprocessor chip with clock. It is activated by keypad switches and set by the cooking time. You can also observe the diagrams. Controller and microprocessor chips, and next one, control panels. You can see the some specifications, cooking time and stop and start buttons. In this video you can learn about what is a consumer electronics and importance of microwaves and how to work the end block diagram of microwave oven. Thank you.